So Ototo sent us this little vampire umbrella.
Yep.
So like when it's hanging there, it looks like a vampire hanging upside down. And then when you open it up, it's what's so cool. It has bats underneath. The underneath side there has bats. And then on top here, there's the little vampire guy up there. And it's raining, so we're getting little sprinklies all over everything. But
it really, it's well made.
Yeah, I thought it would be like a novelty item, like a little bit cheaper or something.
But it's not.
But it's actually really good quality.
It's got a nice release button right here. And of course, you don't want to open your umbrellas inside.
Well, we're not. Yep, look at that.
So yeah, very cool.
I love the underneath side of that there.
Yeah.
That it's got the...
You can go like that, you can get all your...
Get the water off of
it.
And really way better than I thought it was going to be.
It collapses real nice, and it's got a nice strap.
Yeah, strap that goes around it there. So good stuff.
So yeah, really nice.
Thank you.